Hi, my name is Alex,
My name is Fatima.
and we are in Santa Clarita, California. So why did we decide to go solar? Mainly it was because of the fact that it really helps the environment and we wanted to be part of the change. Also, we're seeing the prices of energy just skyrocket lately, and we wanted to be ahead of the curve and really take advantage of the cost savings of what solar panels provide. We found Green Home Systems through a friend of ours who got their solar done by them, and they were really happy with the job that they did, and so we decided to go with them for that reason. The initial meeting and all of the process in general was really easy and streamlined. The project manager was great. He kind of just walked us through the entire process. We also decided to go full electric, and we purchased 2 electric vehicles, and so we kind of just alternate charging. They don't need to be charged that often, maybe once or twice a week each one. And the solar system really sustains that and makes it actually even more affordable because it's virtually free to charge your car now. Yeah, so our bill really significantly changed immediately after we got solar and everything was up and running. Our bill prior to that was at the beginning of summer, and it was over $350. And then the next bill was $25, which was amazing and a significant savings for us. So it just validated the fact that we made the right decision.
Thank you, Green Home Systems, for the great job you did for us.
And thank you, Zuriel, our project manager. You were the best, and we were so happy with everything you did for us. Thank you.
Everything was amazing.